Hi, I'm Dylan, or Agent Pickle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make something called the combination lock. Most people probably already know what it is. So we're going to make a new world, and we're going to call it Combo. Awesome name, right? And we're going to go creative and super flat, and then we're going to go create new world. So combination lock is used as you pull certain levers, so some have to be up and some have to be down, and then so if they're in the right way, so if some are up and some are down, then you can use that. So some have to be up and some have to be down for it to work and the door to open. So we're going to take some stone and we're going to build a doorway and we're going to put a door in it. What I really like doing more is having a sticky piston, though, because then you can't actually see that there's a door there until actually you open the door. So you're just thinking it's a wall, but then when you get the levers in the right position, it doesn't turn out to be a wall exactly. So we are going to go like this. And then we're going to go like this. Or like this. Then we are going to... Well, the best thing is if it just looks like a wall. So we can go like this. And then... So we're going to go like this. So we need a whole bunch of levers. Some redstone repeaters, redstone torches. So let's do 4-part, or let's do 6-part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I like to do it in sets of 3. So we're gonna put 1 here, or 1 here, 1 block here. See how these match up, and we're gonna put 1 block here. So those match up. And then we are going to go like this and go like this. So then, if you want, basically, you're going to put a redstone torch here and a redstone torch here. So, and then go like this. I'm going to show you, well, you can make it many different ways. So then there's 3 entering into this redstone torch. So if they are all off, it will send out a redstone signal. But then you're just thinking, well, that's boring if they're all down, so you just have to pull all of them. See? So if any of them are up, well, if any of them are down, then it doesn't send a redstone signal. So then, if you were to take this and then put a redstone torch here, that means it has to be up to let out a signal. So now, let's say we wanted there to be a door here, right? Let's say we take a door. Where's the doors? Ah, here we are. That's not a door. We're going to take this, and we're going to put it right here. So it's closed now. So they're all in the right place, so the combination would be up, up, down, then the door opens. Right? But most people would do it with an iron door, so you can't just open it. So that's how the redstone torch works. So we could also put one here, and then make these 2 come together. You could also do another set of 3 and make it 9, but that would just be mean to anybody trying to open the door. So I'm not a cruel person, or maybe I am. Whoa, ha 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 ha! But that's not the point. So. If all of these are in the right position, let's just put a redstone torch here and here. And then we continue it. Blah 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 blah. So then we take 3 levers and put them right here, and right here. So the combination for this one would be down, up, down, up, down. So Now, but the problem is, if they're all in the right place, this still doesn't give out a redstone signal. So we are going to do this, and then put a redstone torch here. Right? So if they're all in the right place, the combination would be down, up, down, right? And then the door will open. But if you wanted to do it the way with the sticky pistons, right, you'd want them to be on unless you got all the right combinations. So you'd have to do the redstone thing again. So if they're all in the right way, it wouldn't let out a... if they're all in the right way, it wouldn't let out a redstone signal. So then they'd close. So we are going to go like this. And we are going to take the redstone, and we are going to be awesome. And we're going to go like this. And we also have to take the redstone and make it match up with this. Once we do that, oh, bedrock, I don't know what that's doing there. Oh wait, I'm on super flat. So then we're gonna go like this, and then, so once you have the right combination, okay, so now if the combination is wrong, then the door closes. We must have a problem here. I don't really like redstone, it always has a problem. Oh, that's it. It does not seem to be attached to the sticky piston, and it probably needs a redstone repeater, so we're going to put one there. And now, okay, let's try this. If the combination is wrong, the door closes. Isn't that awesome? Or what? I once made one of these inside of a giant statue of Maleficent. You don't know what that is? Then look up how to make Maleficent's Operation Thunderstrike. So, this concludes how to make combination locks